Millen here from AV King. We have a lot of customers these days looking for these mobile stands. This one here is a new model which has the shelf which you can put soundbars or video conferencing stuff on, and we also have the more standard stands in stock in Brisbane. So that's a 65-inch touchscreen, whereas this one here is a 75-inch screen with a wireless display. Obviously we support people that want to hook up with cables or wireless solutions. This is another wireless display here, and this is some more details on these stands. So I'll link some product information below in this video. If you are after a reliable remote connection, the ClickShare is another product that we support, which can also work with touchscreens like this one here. That screen just on demo, we've got hooked up with the Yealink solution. So I'll make a separate video on each of those wireless connection options to show you what the cheapest option, which is the ActionTech Screen Beam, is capable of. You can go to your computer and click Project. This uses the Windows software, so it's nowhere near as reliable as the Barco product, the ClickShare, but it is a good option if you want a simple solution for small offices. As you can see, that's connecting now, and it's now mirroring the display. And as you can see, if you scroll up and down, it's reasonably fast. Again, not quite as fast as the ClickShare, but for a much lower cost. The other thing we've got running here is, when we put Notepad document up, this keyboard and mouse is actually connected through the remote system, so you can have all that hooked up remotely. As you can see there, the keystrokes are coming up pretty quickly, but not quite as fast as obviously a direct connection or something more like the ClickShare product. So if you'd like more information on any of the remote connection solutions or any of the stands, please contact AV King and we can help you out with supply and install of any of these solutions. Thank you.